On this video, we're going to show you this awesome, highly reviewed, wall-mounted, screwless toilet paper holder.
They're also available in different colors like gold, brushed nickel, chrome, black, and silver.
It's not going to come off. It's nice and sturdy. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is one of the most highly reviewed toilet paper holders. This one is chrome.
They're also available in different colors like gold, brushed nickel, chrome, black, and silver.
There is a double adhesive. It's very strong. It's very large. You can use to essentially attach to tiles, laminate, walls, or drywall. And of course, there's 2 additional screws. They provided with all the hardware. We will be attaching this right here to our matte tile. Matte tiles are a lot easier to attach things to than porcelain. If we had porcelain, we would have pre-drilled drills with a proper bit. I usually want to try and go on a seam. Like you see, I had a hole here. So again, a very large piece. Make sure you are 100% certain where you want to place it. Take a little rubbing alcohol and wipe the surface where you will be placing this. Make sure your adhesive is off, and now just place it where you want it. Now we are going to place that screw on the seam of the joint in case we ever need to pre-drill it. It's going to be a lot easier. And we're going to line this up this way and just press. Gently press. Make sure it's still straight. Press hard and walk away. And there you go. Even if you have the super thick rolls, it will go in, and as you can see, it unravels quite easily. Now, because this is chrome, it will attract fingerprints, but don't worry, they wipe pretty quickly. Again, it comes in different colors: brushed nickel, matte black, gloss black, or chrome, or even white. So there you go. It looks great. You can also put other things on here like cologne, air fresheners, or absolutely anything that you want.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.